Oh. Moco-chan, maybe we shouldn't go backwards. No, what's going on? Moco-chan, just go forwards. You don't want to be stuck in between, right? Yeah. This isn't the place to sneeze right now, Moco-chan. I'm stuck. I need to sneeze. Yeah. Okay, Moco-chan, forward. This is backwards. This is backwards. Can we go forwards? Wait, he's standing there. You're going backwards, Moco-chan, and Mama says to go forwards. Which way is forward? I won't even go. Moco-chan, just go. I'm pretty sure he's not. Let me go. Moco-chan, he's not that way. I can't see anything. He's not that way. I have a feeling. Open it. I can't open it. I need to sneeze again. What the heck? Huh?
A few minutes.
Wow, tomorrow! Don't scream! And if you scream, you get in trouble. You have to last like a certain period of time not screaming, right? Obvious. You believe in us? We can be quiet for 18 minutes! That's true, Moco-chan. You can't sneeze either. You're trouble. Yeah. You sneezed so much today, too.